Hello everyone and welcome to Deano Outdoors. Today we're going to take a look at this lift top coffee table from Likein. This table features an elegant style and is shown in the rustic farmhouse brown. It also comes in black as well, so it'll fit in any room and style of decor that you may have. This is perfect for your home or office. Your coffee table will arrive in a large box. Once you have the box open, you'll find that your table is packaged very nicely with foam wrap on all sides to keep it protected during shipping. You're going to find that there is some assembly required, so we'll get this put together and then we'll check back and take a look at the final product. You're going to find that assembly is quite easy. Each piece is numbered. So all you have to do is match up the numbers on the pieces with the numbers in the instruction book. To assemble the pieces, just drop in your locks with the arrow pointed to the hole side. Screw in your locking pins into the holes that are pre-drilled. Connect the two pieces together and lock the two joints together by simply giving them a half a turn clockwise. It's that easy to assemble this table. This table features an elegant style that comes in rustic farmhouse brown or in your standard black. The one that we are displaying today is in your rustic farmhouse brown. This table features a rich accent wood grain throughout. This coffee table measures 42.5 inches wide by 19 inches deep and stands 10.5 inches tall. What's really nice about this tabletop is it features two standard outlets with USB ports. Both sides of the top lift up and out. The tops are supported with struts, enabling them to be lifted and lowered with ease. Turning this into a workspace as well as adding storage underneath. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys are interested in checking out this table, I'll leave a link down in the description below. This table comes in two colors as well, so it'll fit any room or decor that you may have. If you guys are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. As always, thanks for watching, and remember to get outdoors with Deano.